How to make a furnace in Terraria. So first you will need 20 stone blocks, 4 wood of any type, and 3 torches. So to get some stone blocks, you just basically need to mine these type of blocks right here. As you can see, I now have stone blocks. Next, you will need some wood. So to get some wood, of course, you just basically need to chop down some trees right here, and you'll automatically get some wood. And for the torch, you just basically need to have some gel and your wood. So you won't need a workbench to craft torches. Just basically go to your inventory, and as you can see, you can craft the torch just by using some gels and wood right here. Now once you have all the ingredients, you just basically need to go back to your workbench, then open up your inventory, then scroll down till you see the option to craft your furnace right here. So as you can see, stand next to your inventory, and we now have the option to craft our furnace with 20 stone blocks, 4 wood or any type of wood, and 3 torches. So let's try to craft one. As you can see, so just select the furnace on your inventory, left click on it, then left click on any flat surface to place your furnace just like that. Now once you have your furnace, you can use it to unlock recipes for metal bars like copper, iron, silver, and gold bars. And it also provides like a small amount of light when placed, acting as a weak light source. And that is how you basically make a furnace in Terraria.